मातरम वंदे मातरम।
Truly said, if there is one place on the face of earth where dreams of all living men have found home from the very earliest days since the existence began, it is India. Good morning, everyone. How blissful this morning is, where we all have gathered to virtually celebrate our 72nd Republic Day. 28 states, 1,618 languages, 6,400 castes, 6 major religions, 6 ethnic groups, and 1 country. This shows our unity in diversity and that how we all are proudly Indians. Where words leave off, music begins. So here, our school choir will present an extremely melodious and patriotic piece of music to fill the atmosphere with zeal.
प्यारे ही जाने प्यारे ही माने हम सबको बतलाते हैं। हो तो प्यारा कोई अगर तो उसको गले लगाते हैं।
What an enthusiastic and patriotic performance it was by our school choir. It definitely inspired us to serve our country as our utmost duty. Ours is the land of sages, known for bravery for ages. None with it can compete, its culture none can be. Let's for it work hard, its safety be on guard. So now we have Ayan Tiwari, student of class 10, who is going to throw some lights on the importance and virtue of this day.
A remarkable morning to everyone. I congratulate all of you on the celebrations of 72nd Republic Day of India. It is the day which honors the date on which Constitution of India came into action, that is on 26 January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India and thus turning the nation into a newly formed. After an immense struggle of the Indian freedom fighters, India got its independence on 15th August 1947. But there were still few things and rules to be changed which were applied by the Britishers. In short, India needed its own constitution. India got its constitution by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, which was approved by our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. From 26 January 1950, Constitution came into action. At that time, Constitution contained 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. Today, this number has increased to 448 due to 100 amendments. We must be proud that we live in a country which has the longest constitution in the world. Someone truly said, being patient does not work every time. Once in a life, we have to take stand for ourselves. All the freedom fighters, Mahatma Gandhi, Lokmanya Tilak, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many others took stand for their country. They struggled till death for their country and finally succeeded. Today, we must pledge to our motherland that we must make our country poverty-free, corruption-free, narrow-minded-free. India is one of the most visited countries all over the world, which directly highlights that India is a developing country. India is best in fields of science, research, technology, automobiles, stock trading, etc. This development is in process because today India is a republic country. Our freedom fighters gave great contribution in the independence of India. Let's not forget that and take a pledge today to be a responsible citizen and help in country's development. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Poetry is a rhythmical creation of beauty in words. Now Sachi Mishra of class 4th will recite an impeccable national-oriented poem.
Hello everyone, I am Sachi Mishra of class 4 from Sugarsey Academy, Kolinagar branch, Kanpur. You would be knowing that a poem fills the fine night between two souls. Therefore, today I am with a very relevant poem of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. The title of my poem is Where the Mind is Without Fear. So here the poem goes. Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches arms towards perfection, where a clear stream of reasons has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habits, where mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake, let my country awake. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now we will have a beautiful song, Teri Hai Zameen, by Yash Upadhyay of class 4 that will definitely arise a feeling of spirituality in all of us.
तेरी है ज़मीन, तेरा आसमान, तू बड़ा
will display their love and spirit for the nation. They have dressed up themselves as their favorite Indian leader and will speak a few lines about them. I would like to call out their names. Kartika Senior KG as Sarojini Naidu, Anirudh Mishra Senior KG as Mr. Narendra Modi, Agriman Singh of Senior KG as Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Advik Mishra of PG as Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Aishwarya Narayan Shukla of PG as Vallabhbhai Patel, Aditya Kanodia of Junior KG as Dr. Abul Kalam Azad, Lakshya Pathak of Junior KG as Jawaharlal Nehru, Abhas Yadav of Senior KG as Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Ayush Kumar of Senior KG as Balwant Rai Mehta.
Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya Shukla from class PG. Today I am dressed up as Vallabhbhai Patel. I am called the Iron Man of India. I was also political and social leader of India, and around the world I am open as President Sardar. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Kumar Kanodia. I study in class Junior KG. Today I am dressed in Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. I was the son of an Indian. His name is Colonel. I became a chief in important journalism. In 1912, I began publishing a weekly Urdu newspaper in Calcutta, Anila. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Kartika. I study in class Senior KG. Today I am going to talk about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was a poetess and a freedom fighter. As well, she became president of the Indian National Congress. In the year 1925, she became the governor of United Provinces of Uttar Pradesh. In 1947, she is known as the Nightingale of India also. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Agrima. I study in class Senior KG. Today I am going to talk about First Lady Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was a famous Indian politician and a First Lady Prime Minister. She was the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Her charming personality and intelligence made her powerful states and extremely popular amongst the common people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Advik Mishra, class PG. I am Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. I am known as the father of the Indian Constitution. And my main effort is to eradicate social evils like untouchability and casteism. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Anirudh Mishra. I study in class KG. I am going to talk about our current Prime Minister Narendra Das Modi. Narendra Das Modi was born on 17 September 1950. He is an Indian politician. He is the current Prime Minister of India, serving since May 2014. I am also glad to record here that the present form of India's democracy established on 26 January 1950. On this day, our constitution came into effect. It is our pride that we have the largest constitution and we are the largest republic in the world too. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Everyone, my name is Ayush Kumar. I study in class 8. Today I am talking about Balwant Rai Mehta. Balwant Rai Mehta was an Indian politician who served as the second Chief Minister of Gujarat State, India. He participated in the independence movement and held various public offices as well. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Laksh Pathak, student of class junior KG. I am Dasha Panditwala Nehru. I am also lovely address as Nehru ji by all. I was the first Prime Minister of India. I played the crucial role making of Indian Constitution. Thank you everyone. Morning everyone, my name is Abhash Yadav. I study in class senior KG. Today I am going to talk about Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee was a well-known member of Congress Party during the Prime Ministership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Mukherjee was an advocate of education. He played an important role in the fight for independence. Thank you.
I can clearly see the bright future of India on the faces of these tiny tots. Well done, kids. May your patriotism and hard work rise with your age. We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for fear. We dance to chill, we dance to scream. That's all I know is a dancer's dream. So here we have our students representing an extremely patriotic dance for the sake of country love. incredible. What a delightful performance by the talented students of our school. I'm sure everyone felt the depth of patriotism in the dance.
Drama is an art form. It fills our mind and makes us more aware of our surrounding. The talented students of our school will perform a skit which will surely develop a sense of fraternity and brotherhood amongst us.
25th of January. Do you know what does it mean?
No.
Is it your birthday?
Happy birthday, sir.
No, it's not my birthday.
Don't it?
We should have a celebration.
If today is 25th of January, then what will be tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be 26th.
Yes, and tomorrow will be holiday. Okay?
Yeah.
Wait, friends. Do you know why we have a holiday tomorrow?
Don't know.
Don't care.
So it's your homework to find out about the significance of Republic Day. And by the way, my birthday was yesterday. Okay?
Okay, let's go on internet and find some video.
Look, I found a video. Let's watch it.
We got this freedom after the long battle for independence. Now, we must decide what to do with this country. We need rules. We need a constitution. But a constitution cannot be made without people. And so, let the people themselves decide the rules. Let us see their progress.
There should be a monarchy system of government. We should have kings or queens like Britain.
No, are you mad? If India has a monarch type of government, so how we are different from Britishers? We would be placing our trust in some idiot son of king. No, we should go for communism. Everything is owned by the government.
No way, I will never allow this.
No, we should go for communism.
No, monarchy is the best.
No, communism is the best.
In times of trouble, we need one man to look to. Only one man can solve this argument. A man long dead before. Mahatma Gandhi. We must bring him back.
और बोल है क्या? नहीं, ये तो इंडियन पार्लियामेंट। चलो, झगड़ा झगड़ी मत करो, गांधी जी को याद करो। Why are you fighting? Have you forgotten me so easily?
Sir, this idiot wants a communist system of government.
Sir, this other idiot is no better. She wants monarch type of government.
Communism, monarchy. Why is it that all the countries have these types of government? My friend, this is India. India has a richer history and background than any other country. We are unique. We should go for democracy. Mera Bharat Mahan.
Democracy? What is that?
Freedom of speech, my friends. Freedom of thought. Freedom to vote. Freedom of press. Democracy, my friends. Democracy.
Yes, democracy. That is the best idea for our country.
And so, with the help of our leaders, we came up with a constitution. One that defines every one of us here.
Wow, what a video. I guess our homework is done.
Wait, I want to see one more video.
China is a dumb country. They don't even have a democracy.
Hey, what did you say? How dare you?
Why not? I can say what I want. The other day I was going to vote, but I found there was no democracy in this country.
Well, this is not India. We do not talk like such that. Police! Sir, for disrespecting your country, by articulating yourself, you are under arrest.
What? You are ridiculous? Get your hands off me. I just spoke what I felt. I want to go back to India.
Sir, until then, you are welcome to our jail as your hotel. Sir, please come.
Wow, imagine what it must be like to have no freedom to articulate our thoughts.
Yes, I know. It makes me feel so happy that we have the privileges that others don't.
We should proud to be citizens of India, which ensures the fundamental rights of every citizen, such as right to equality, freedom, religion, culture, education, etc. On this auspicious occasion, let's bow our heads. before the memories of India's great leaders and freedom fighters. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
What a performance! By this, we should understand that the democracy that was gifted us with the longing freedom has enhanced the quality of every human life. Lastly, I would like to thank everyone who made this amazing lineup. Maybe we are in midst of this pandemic, but with our spirits high and patriotic zeal in our hearts, we have tried to express our feelings towards the nation by physically and virtually for those students who are not present in school due to the pandemic. India is a democratic nation where each citizen has the right to approve their leader. Be proud that we are the birth of this great nation. Jai Hind.
जैसा कोई नहीं है, नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं